In this video, we're leaving a parking lot and we're going to be taking a right at this intersection. And up ahead on this new road, we'll see there are two kids that kind of just dart out into the middle of the road with their skateboards. And so the point of this video is why we can't be a distracted driver on the road. We always have to be scanning our environment. Even if you look down at your phone for 2 seconds, things change quite rapidly. You might think it's not a big deal. I'm just quickly reading this text message, but things change right away. In this case, kids just pop out of nowhere, I guess, if you will. And if your head is down as you're looking at your phone, before you know it, you're having a collision. So we can see these kids here crossing. They didn't really assess whether these cars were slowing down for them or not. They weren't kind of reading our speed, so we need to be the ones on the lookout. So let me just walk this video back a little bit, see when they actually became visible. So about 44 seconds into the video here, we've got a cyclist here as well, and as we're approaching the intersection, this is when we could see we start slowing down, right? So up until, let's say, that's when the kids are becoming visible here. So our speed, it takes us about a second and a half second to start adjusting our speed as soon as we realize what a hazard is. And so imagine if your head is down at your phone, you're not adjusting your speed. By the time we're over here, like 3 seconds pretty much after the hazard showed up, if we weren't paying attention, we would be where the kids are. So long story short, it might just seem like it's not a big deal. I'm just going to quickly glance down, read a couple of sentences, but it is a huge deal. And this is, still daytime. Imagine if it's dark outside and rainy. Instead of maybe spotting them 45 seconds into the video, you might spot them 46 seconds into the video. And then now you just have a second to react, because the kids are not really, you can see they're not really paying attention to whether we're slowing down or not. So we have to be the ones on the lookout for them.